Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus NX. We'll explore its various models, focusing on engine options, interior comfort, and the advanced technology packed inside. Understanding these core differences will help you decide which NX best suits your lifestyle and driving needs. We'll also touch on safety features that provide peace of mind on every journey. When it comes to performance, the Lexus NX provides a range of choices. You can opt for a spirited gasoline engine or embrace the impressive efficiency of a hybrid or plug-in hybrid. Each offers a distinct driving feel, from smooth cruising to more dynamic acceleration. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining confident handling, making every drive enjoyable. Step inside the Lexus NX, and you'll find a meticulously crafted interior designed for both driver and passengers. The large touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, keeping you connected on the go. Premium materials and thoughtful design create a sophisticated ambience. Furthermore, the comprehensive suite of safety features provides an extra layer of protection, enhancing your confidence behind the wheel. Considering the overall value, the Lexus NX presents a compelling package. While starting prices differ based on the model and features you choose, Lexus is renowned for its exceptional reliability and strong resale value, making it a smart long-term investment. This means lower ownership costs over time and peace of mind. Don't forget to check the description for links to these leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.